Hello everyone. Today we can go for chapter 4 when lines meet. Dear children, what did you feel when the heading hears when lines meet? Yes, it is something related to lines. So, lines are related to mathematics. Okay. So, we can go for a software which helps to draw lines in the computer. What is that software? GeoGebra. Okay. GeoGebra is a free interactive software. So, GeoGebra is a free software. GeoGebra is a interactive software, which means it is user friendly for us. Okay. And it is used to draw and observe the properties of geometrical shapes. There are so many geometrical shapes that you have studied in your maths class. Okay. So it helps us to draw the geometrical shapes and helps to observe the properties of geometrical shapes. Okay. So here you can see the number of angles. You are familiar with finding the angles. See here how many lines are there? 2 lines. Okay, this is one line, this is another line. So, 2 lines can be intersected to find a angle. Here is one angle, here is another angle. The total sum is 180 degree. Okay, so I will show you another figure. This is that figure. So, here are also 2 lines, but the way it is drawn is difficult. See, it is drawn like a shape of a cross. Then here this line is stopped at this point. Okay. So, dear children, the number of angles obtained is determined by the way in which the lines intersect. The lines intersect. Okay. ലൈൻസ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിക്കനുസരിച്ചിട്ടാണ് എത്ര ആംഗിൾസ് ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Now we can go for activity 4.1. The properties of adjacent angles when 2 straight lines intersect. For that we can open GeoGebra. How can we open GeoGebra? Click on Applications, Education, GeoGebra. How can we open it? Application, Education, GeoGebra. So then click on the GeoGebra software. Now this is the window for GeoGebra. If you want to maximize it, you can click on this rectangle. Okay. Now it is maximized. Now this window is not needed for us, so just close the algebra window. Then here you can see 2 icons. First one is show or hide the axis. Second one is show or hide the grid. Okay. So now I am just clicking it. What happened? The axis is hidden. Okay. So I am just clicking once more. The axis is shown. So this icon is known as show or hide the axis. Okay. Now I am hiding this. The next icon is show or hide the grid. Grid means these lines, these columns. Okay. So to hide that you can click that. To show also you can click on that icon. Okay. Now I am just disabling the grid lines and axis. Okay. First step is that drawing a line. Okay. For drawing a line, you can see the line tool here. Here you can see how many tools? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 tools are here at the first side. But you can see the arrows at the bottom portion of each tool. So by clicking that you can see few more tools. Okay. So there are so many tools in your GeoGebra software. Okay. See, these tools are helpful for drawing the circles. These tools are helpful for drawing the lines. Okay, this is the move tool, point tool, line tool. This is the angle tool. Okay, this is the polygon tool. Now we want to draw line. So click on the line tool. Then mark the points. So how many points you need to draw a line? 2 points. First I am clicking here and you want to click another. So here you can see 2 points. Okay. See in the textbook, line A and B. Now you want to give the names for these points. For that you want to right click. Okay. So right click on your mouse. Here you can see show label option. Which option? Show label. Click on that. Now the label A is displayed. Then show label, you can see B, line AB. So we have successfully drawn the line AB. Then what is the next step? Yes, you want to draw a line CD, which is intersecting line AB. So for that we are not using the line tool. Instead of that we can use segment tool. This is the segment tool. So see the difference, segment tool and line tool. Okay. So don't get confused. This is the segment tool. This is the line tool. Now I am selecting segment tool and drawing the line CD to intersect the line AB and give the name by right clicking, then click on the show label option. See, now we have drawn line AB, then line CD. Okay. Now we can save it. Click on file, save as, go for students work 6 and give the name as activity 4.1. Okay. Click on save button. Now it is saved in the name activity 4.1.ggb. Okay, ggb is the file extension for the software GeoGebra. Okay. Now our next step is that you want to find how many angles are formed when the line CD intersects the line AB in the figure. How many angles? Yes, here you can form one angle. Here you can form another angle. So write in the textbook, we can form 2 angles. Okay, right here 2 angles. Which are they? First one is given here, angle BDC. Okay, see, BDC. Then which is the another angle? Yes, CDA. Okay. So for drawing the or measuring the angles, here you can make use of the angle tool. This is the angle tool. Click on the angle tool from the toolbox. Okay. Then click in the order B, D, C. Okay. Now the angle is displayed here. Now you want to measure the angle of CDA. Okay. So there is an order for clicking. How can we click? Which is the order? Yes, you want to click in the anti-clockwise direction, which means that in the opposite direction of the clock rotating. Okay, so if you are clicking A, D, C, what will happen? Now I am just showing that A, D, C. Did you get the correct angle? No. Okay, so that is the wrong way. You want to click in the order C, D, then A. Okay, so this is the anti-clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. Okay, this is the anti-clockwise, which means opposite direction. Okay, now it is confusing. So you can move that into the correct position by clicking on the move tool, and you can click and drag the angles. Okay, not only the angles, you can click anything. You can move the position of anything. Okay, by using the move tool. Okay, now is it clear? Okay, dear children. So we can wind up today's section. You want to write this 2 angles, then write angle CDA. Okay. So we can go for the next topic in our next class. You want to send me this assignment. Okay. Write here your answers. Okay. Thank you.